this number. And they talk about how Congress must declare a national moratorium on the use of facial recognition technology until legal restrictions have been put in place. Without restrictions on face recognition, America's future is going to be closer to China's than we would like to think.
China!
This is the stat that got my attention. Police databases now feature the faces of nearly half of Americans. Most of them have no idea their image is there. Now that made me think, wow, they're not. Wait a second. My picture's on my driver's license.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what they mean?
I don't know. I'm trying to decide how worried I should be about this.
Almost everybody in America over the age of 16 has their picture with the government.
Right.
Absolutely. And has for decades.
Even those who don't have driver's licenses have official state IDs, so they can conduct a business, check into hotels, etc.
Right. So when I first heard that stat, I thought that's horrible. That they've already gathered that many pictures. Yeah, they gathered them when I sat down in front of that gray screen and kind of half smiled and had one eye shut.
Yeah, exactly.
They counted to 3 and took the picture on 2 for some reason.
And I look way fatter than I am.